Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about a condition which is very commonly seen in pregnancy. It can start somewhere in your second trimester and can go up to the end of pregnancy, and this gets very severe by the end of the term or by the end of the pregnancy. And we are talking about swelling especially in your feet, in your ankle, and this condition is something that can be treated with exercises. So this is exactly what we'll be sharing with you, some of the exercises which will help you in reducing that swelling in your feet during your pregnancy phase. Even if you're not pregnant at this time, and if you have the swelling issue which comes up by the end of the day and becomes a problem, then you also can do these exercises. They are safe and easy to do and can be done easily at home without any kind of supervision as well. So let's begin and let's see what are these exercises.
First, let's quickly see why does swelling occur during pregnancy. Now, during this phase, there is accumulation of extra fluid in the body which is generally required for your pregnancy phase. But as the pregnancy progresses, this results in decrease in the circulation of blood, and which increases even more when somebody is inactive. This leads to swelling, especially in your lower limbs. Now, this can commonly occur after long periods of standing, if you're sitting for long hours with your legs hanging in hot weathers, and also by the end of the day. If you have any of these conditions and you see the swelling, then it can be a normal thing in pregnancy. But if you have any heart condition, or you have diabetes, or any vascular condition for which you're taking medicines, then you need to consult your doctor. All these exercises would be done in all 3 trimesters of your pregnancy and even after your delivery. So starting with the first exercise, you need to take 2 pillows and place your feet over them and then do the ankle toe movements. And you can start with just your finger movements, and then you can start with all the ankle movements in the downward and upward direction. By doing this movement, you are basically contracting your calf muscles as well and making them pump blood back to the heart, so that swelling reduces in your feet. And this will help in reducing your swelling drastically. Do this exercise positively before going to bed. If not possible in the day, just keep your legs straight somewhere and then do these ankle toe movements, and do them frequently throughout your day. Starting with the second exercise. So in this exercise, your feet are higher than the level of your heart, and you have to be in this position, that is, you need to lie down, and if possible keep your buttocks as close as to the wall. Well, unless you hear this sound of your mother telling you not to soil the walls, then there is a quick fix. Just do it and go back to your original position, and you're good to go. Also try to be in this position for about 20 to 30 minutes daily positively. When you are in this position, you can always do ankle movements as well. So move your ankle in upward and downward direction. This might look funny in the beginning, but this pose and this position is really effective in reducing the ankle swelling. Next, you can also do simple raises on your toes, in which you just have to stand somewhere and just rise up on your toes and then come back down. When you do this exercise, it is your calf muscles which are contracting actively, and this helps in pushing back your blood from your feet. Now, a very simple tip to reduce your swelling. If you have a sitting job or a standing job, so you are sitting for long hours in that with your feet hanging down. Now, if you have such situation, then do try to rest your feet at some support at a certain height or at some level intermittently, and try not to be in that position throughout the day, because that is the one major reason why the swelling develops by the end of the day. You should also walk for having better circulation. You should take frequent breaks. You should sit in between and keep your feet up while you are working for long hours. Do your ankle toe movements positively throughout the day, especially before going to bed. Drink adequate fluids and try to sleep on your left side, and do all the exercises before going to bed.
So that's it in today's video. If you like our video, then please like it, share it with someone who might find it useful, and do subscribe to our channel for supporting us. We'll meet you next week with a new video. Till then, be happy and be safe and stay indoors.